Hello everyone, today I am planning to record lots of videos. In our previous lesson, what we learned? We learned how to declare a variable and how to assign it. Now we will take a closer look how to assign value to the variable. Let's start. For example, I wrote age is equal to 33. Then I print it. I use print command for printing it. Print. Inside the parentheses, I say age. So right now, I double click 3. So after that, I run it. You see 33 on the screen. Now, what should I do if I want to change this value? Let's say I write age is equal to 40, for example. Age is equal to 40. If I want to print it again, what will I see on the screen? Right now you see as 3 assign value is working. I say run, you see first 33 appears on the screen and then I change the value. Right now 40 appears on the screen. That's great. If I want to assign the same value to do different variables at the same time, I can do it like this. For example, let's define a variable website. Website. What's my website? My website is jambos.com. For example, my variable name website, it will be another variable name. For example, website 2. I say website 1. Instead of doing it separately, for example, like that, I can do it in the same line. Why? Because both variable, website 1 and website 2, hold the same string value. And instead of doing this way, I can do it this way. Website 2 is equal to jambos.com. If I print them, for example, I take this command. Inside to print, I'm writing website 1. So after that, I print website 2. What will we see on the screen? Let's run it. You see 2 times jambos.com. The first one comes from 9th line. The second one comes from 10th line. It's different command. These are different commands. The first I print website 1. After I print website 2. You see I print it 2 times. You see here this is a shorter, a cleaner way to assign the same value to the multiple variables. Great.